In this video, we'll show you how to get to the ICHIRAN Shibuya Spain-zaka Branch from the JR Shibuya Station Hachiko exit. ICHIRAN is one of Japan's most famous tonkatsu ramen restaurants and is loved by travelers from all over the world. Let's get started. Exit JR Shibuya Station through the Hachiko exit. Cross the famous Shibuya Scramble Crossing, one of the world's busiest pedestrian intersections and a symbol of Shibuya. After crossing, walk past the Starbucks Coffee and continue straight along Kundori Avenue. This lively street is lined with fashion stores, cafes, and specialty shops, making it a great place to experience the atmosphere of Shibuya. Continue walking until you reach the intersection, then turn left onto Inokashira Street. This area is well known for its shopping, restaurants, and entertainment, making it one of Shibuya's most popular streets. Before we continue, here's a quick introduction to ICHIRAN. Founded in Fukuoka in 1960, ICHIRAN specializes in authentic tonkatsu ramen. Its rich yet smooth pork bone broth, combined with thin noodles, has made it popular not only throughout Japan, but also around the world. One of ICHIRAN's unique features is the flavor concentration booth, where each guest enjoys their meal in a private dining space designed to help you focus on the taste of the ramen. You can also customize your bowl by choosing the noodle firmness, broth richness, spice level, and the amount of garlic to match your personal preference. Although we already crossed the street earlier, it's best to cross here if you have the chance. It'll make the rest of the walk much easier. Continue along Inokashira Street, then turn right just before Matsumoto Kiyoshi. You've now entered Spain-zaka, one of Shibuya's most famous streets. Walk a little farther up the slope, and you'll soon see your destination on the left-hand side. You've arrived at the ICHIRAN Shibuya Spain-zaka Branch. The walk from the JR Shibuya Station Hachiko exit takes approximately 5 minutes. If you'd like to enjoy authentic Japanese tonkatsu ramen while exploring Shibuya, this is a great place to visit. Enjoy your time in Shibuya, and thank you for watching.